wide world. Who's obsessed with Riverdale? Me. I'm so tired. Oh my god. It's 12:40 at night. You're welcome. Okay, so if you see a lot of squinting or something in this video, it's probably because I'm not used to having two lights. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a haul. I haven't done a haul in a good minute, so bear with me if I don't know what I'm doing, okay? Okay. So I'm headed to the beach, which is what this haul is. It's like a beach haul or whatever. I'm going to the beach. You should let me know in the comments below where you think I'm going. And follow me on Snapchat for updates on like the food I'm going to be bringing on the trip and the trip itself, because your girl is going to be on Snapchat like a maniac. Also, if you're not following me on Instagram, what the heck are you doing? I mean, like literally I post not every day, but I post as much as I can, and my pictures are pretty freaking good. So do me a favor and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I love Twitter, so if you're not following me on there, what are you doing? Literally, that's the best place to find me at. That's the best place to reach. Now that I'm done rambling, I'm going to show you what I bought for my... I almost gave the trip away. You guys, what I bought for the beach. And also, I'm trying to decide between if I want to do a vlog or if I'm going to be doing a travel diaries. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys want to see. If you'd rather see like daily vlogs, or like, it's not gonna be daily, but it'll be like the days of the week that I'm there, and then it's gonna be all mashed into one vlog. Or if you guys just want to see a travel diaries and make it all like cool and like epic or b-roll or whatever. So without further ado, we're just gonna get into this video. Comment below what you think this beautiful background's name should be. If not, hopefully I'll have a name for it, you know, the next time you come watch a video of mine. Every girl needs a suitcase, and your girl got jealous because her mom came home with a new suitcase, and I was like, yo fam, like I need one. So I didn't actually need one, okay? I have tons of like bags that I could easily put my stuff in, but we are also staying for like 3 days. So your girl had to get a suitcase. Plus there's stuff in here, that's the reason it's heavy. It's not actually like heavy. I don't fit on the screen. Anyway, it's purple, and it's by the brand Travelers Club, if you can see that. If you can't, sorry, whatever. This suitcase was original. Can you talk? Like, hello. The suitcase was originally like $140 or something like that, and I got it for like $60, which sounds like a terrible deal. Like, who wants to pay $60 for a suitcase? Like, not me. But your girl got it anyways because it was purple, and I don't know, it was cute, okay? 360 wheel. So it's got wheels on. Let's go. I don't know why I keep saying that. I'm gonna just start. I'm gonna start with something I already have because I feel like you guys need to acknowledge this shirt, but I'm bringing it anyway because I don't know if I'm gonna sleep in it or if I'm just gonna take one picture on the beach and just say screw it for the rest of the trip. Here's the shirt. It says Baywatch on it. And section at Target, just in case anyone was wondering. Back, it says Malibu Beach Patrol. I'm such a head. Oh my god, I hate myself. So, because I'm cheap and I don't want to spend $500 on makeup remover wipes, I get the dollar ones from Kroger. Wipe the day away. It's hot. The next product that I have is the Secret Boho Berry Clear Gel. I get clear gel because, I don't know, I don't know. I don't like powder. Like, it's nasty. Like, is that just me? Like, who wants powder? Like, I mean, gel easily can make a wet spot in your clothes, so I get why people don't like it. And plus, this was $5. $5 to make sure I don't smell like crap. Thank you so much, Secret. It's Clean and Clear Morning Burst Facial Scrub. I got this like forever ago at Kroger. It was like $1. It's like one of those travel size ones. Oh my god, like there's like literally this much product out of the whole bottle. Okay, Doritos. So, I bought 2 makeup brushes. This one is an angled blush brush. I'm so ugly. Why do I get everything from Kroger? Like, what am I, like a freaking drugstore? Like, anyways, I got these sunglasses from Kroger because I thought they were freaking cute, okay? I don't care what anyone else thinks. I like them. They're heart eyes and they're holographic. Clearly you can tell. All this hat at Goodies, which Goodies used to be Peebles for anyone that didn't know, that doesn't live in Lake Tennessee. I got this hat from there. It was on sale for $15 still. It's white. It's cute. It's cute. It's cute. And it has little pom-poms. Isn't it cute? Oh my god. Okay. No, I'm just kidding. I'm so ugly. Anyway, but it says, beach, please. Get it? Beach, please. I know I'm ugly. Okay, you don't need to tell me that. But, come on. You mean to tell me this ain't cute? I want to be able to look back at these videos, and if you guys didn't know, I do look back at these videos with my family, my cousins and friends and stuff, and they watch my videos as well. I want to look back and remember the things that I was fortunate enough to pay for with my own money because I saved up for it. So I want to show myself and you guys something that I saved up for, which is the reason why I'm like hitting YouTube like this. I bought a new laptop. This is the MacBook Pro 13 inch, I think. Yeah. Well, it's like the touch bar version, but it's the lowest gigabyte, so it's not the one with the touch bar, but it looks like this. Look, there's the Eiffel Tower. That's what my background is. But anyways, so this is what the laptop looks like. I'm so happy with this laptop. You guys don't even understand. Like I said, I want to be able to look back at these videos and remind myself of what I was fortunate enough to buy with my own money, because I do work like a workaholic. Okay? I'm not an alcoholic. I'm not a drugaholic. I'm not a sexaholic. I'm so ugly. I'm a workaholic. My parents don't pay for my stuff. Like, if I want a new lens, I'm getting it. It's not them. So, other than like Christmas haul for someone that comments down, they're like, you got the 50mm lens from your parents? I know. But, this lens was a pretty price. And for any of my friends that know, I literally am in love with this lens. Like, I literally use it. I use it all the time. It's the 70-200 by Canon. I spent $500 on this lens, I'm gonna be honest with you, and I hope that Kayla doesn't fall out on the floor in the future, because I hope this definitely enhances your photography. And if you guys haven't seen my photography, what the freak are you doing? Like, go follow it on Instagram. She gave me this and it works, so I'm gonna be using this. And for anyone that didn't know, just keep you up to date, like The Greatest Showman is like my favorite movie of all time, like no joke. So I bought 60 like film things, like 3 of these boxes, which contain 20 images each. I bought 3 of them for $30, so I'm going to be taking 2 of them because I know I'm going to want to take pictures and I'm going to want some at home, so I'm leaving 1 pack here and taking 2 with me. I'll be bringing this makeup back because I don't plan to wear tons of makeup, but when we do go out, I do want to wear makeup. So it says Let's Get Nude. It's from Icing. I think it was like part of their like buy 3 get 3 free, or buy 6 get 3 free, something like that. So I have that, and then inside is stocks, because that's what we keep in a makeup bag, right? This right here is the top of the bikini. It looks like this. It's very like retro in my opinion on the top. It has like little frillies. It's a Tiffany blue color, which if you guys didn't know, Breakfast at Tiffany's, Audrey Hepburn, Paris, that's my theme of my bedroom. So of course I love blue. I'm gonna show you these from Amazon because I like love Amazon. Like, I swear to God, like if I had to delete every app I would, but I would not delete Amazon. Like, put a gun to my head, I'm not deleting Amazon. So here's the black shorts that I bought. They're high-waisted, so they cute. They were $12. I swear to God, this literally, like, I'm gonna be straight up with you guys because like in this channel, like, we need to be like real, because I'm like your big sister here, or your little sister if you're watching. You're like 20, because I'm 19. Hello. I'm not the skinniest girl, but I'm also not fat. I'm like healthy weight, so therefore this, if you got any stomach, because you know you're good like to eat, if you got any stomach, it's going away once you put this on, okay? And bought a pink wet brush because like pink is like my favorite color right now. I don't know why, like hello, but looks like this. I got these. I'm so excited to wear these. I got these at Academy for $14.99. They look like this. They're just like pink, like they're like light pink, like slip-ons, almost like kind of like the Van slip-ons or whatever. Also shout out to Academy again because your girl got these shoes from there. They're black sandals. Oh, I've always wanted sandals like this. I have a pair of white ones, which I'm also going to bring too, because you never know. But they're just black sparkly detailing on them. They look like that. They're really, really cute for $14. This is not a sponsorship, by the way. But they're just body glove shoes. They're pink. They don't even match my swimsuit, but they're cute, and they're like tennis shoe quality. So like, they're great, okay? These from Ross. They were originally $22. I got them for $12. It's these shorts. I purposefully haven't worn them because I'm gonna wear them in the beach. I keep wanting to say when I'm going, I'm pretty sure you guys know, like, what other places there that's that popular to go to the beach. It's from, I literally was about to say it again. It's from Target. It's marked down to $9, and it's a swimsuit cover up, and it's blue and white, and then it's got neon green like tassels. Oh my God, it is so pretty. Like, it's cute. So, it looks like this. It's just a tank top, and it's got little ties on the side like this, and it was originally no, it was originally $36. I got it for $10.80. No, I don't have a blue one. Just kidding. They look like this. It honestly, like, if you're not paying attention, it looks like a skirt when you put it on. And it has pockets, so it'll be easy to hold my phone and, like, my wallet and stuff in it, because I'm not planning to bring a whole bunch of crap. So, it looks like this, and these were originally $40, and we got them for $7. Girl, what? It or something, and then my phone. Like, that's it. So, this is what it looks like. It's clear. It's blue. I'm probably only gonna bring this like when we go out somewhere, because I know it'll be on me, but I'm not gonna like bring it to the beach because that's stupid. Like, why would I bring this to the beach? You know what I mean? So is this shirt. It's an off the shoulder, which I'm not used to. And for any of you that are watching that are my friends from like high school, middle school, whatever, you guys know that I'm not the type of person that like wears off the shoulder stuff, because I'm just not the type of person that likes to show a lot of stuff. So it's like a pinky color. See, pink, like what the freak. Okay, anyway, but like I said, it's like an off the shoulder, so it looks like this, but you could easily pull it up if you don't like it like that. But I'm gonna pull it like this, and obviously I'm probably gonna have my hair down, because if I have my hair down, then I won't feel as like weird about it, because I'm just gonna feel naked like if I have an off the shoulder top on. But that's because your girls' cha-chas are a little bit bigger than most girls, and yeah, there's nothing else to say about it. Guys, because these are cute. If you haven't went to Hot Topic and you're a Riverdale fan like me, they have the Riverdale lipsticks. I don't know where the other one went. Well, I know where it's at. It's like in a purse or it's a pocket or something. Shirt, because I also bought the shirt. So it says Pop's Chocolate Shop. Yeah, I don't know when a weekly schedule thing is gonna happen, because like I said, I'm going to the beach and then I'm coming back. So let me know what you guys want me to film, and I will be happy to film them for you guys. So yeah, I love you guys so much. Stay tuned for my videos, and I hope you have a great rest of your week. Bye!